Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to write subscripts in your equations or math equations on the Notion software or website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open and connect to your Notion web portal or just open your desktop client. They are the same in the working space. And after that you will need to follow these simple steps. So here I'm having this empty page, and now I'm going to add like a math equation section to add our subscript. So basically, let's just write something and have the formatting menu that will appear, or we can just have the plus sign and search for math equations. So basically here we need to search for math. You can just do like that and search for math equation or block equation, whatever. So basically, those are our equations, for example, uh, like that, and you will have it like this. So now we have to have subscripts. So you will be needing to have the underscore character to design the subscripts. So basically, let's have, for example, x square. So I'm going to have like this and then underscore and the 2. And as you can see, this is the subscript. And if you want to the superscript, you will need just to do this character and add the number that you want. For example, if you have like something like chemistry or something, so let's have like uh, this underscore 2 and h, for example, will give us like that, uh, something like that, and having some equations like this. I don't know, you can write whatever you want. It will give us underscore 2, for example, like that. And as you can see, you click after that done and you will have this thing. So basically, this is how you add the subscript in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.